Hello, my name is Govind Rajput. Today I am going to discuss about the Habit Maker React app. So now sharing the screen. I hope my screen is visible. Now moves on question of this. So Habit Maker. The heading is Habit Maker. Question is create a web application that help people to finish any task or create a new habit. Not use the appropriate hooks according to your requirement. Use proper form validation. So validation like the user has to add all four values. So accepted output is first is this and second is this. So now moves on code. So first of all, create a component folder inside src folder, and inside inside the component folder make habit data file .jsx. So import react from react, import style from dot slash habit dot data dot module dot css. With the help of this line, import the module css file. So export default function habit data. Function name is habit data. So and delete it. So return div show dot map task comma index means map contain the three value. First is uh, element, second is key, and key value, and out array. So not using on array here. So uh, take a table. So table row is class name equals to style dot row. Uh, Style dot row method is used here because uh, here import the module css file. So this is the syntax. So key equals to index. So table td represent the table data. Class name equals to style data. So task mm, dot what, and again second td class name equals to style dot data. So basically class name attribute contain the same value, but id not contain the same value. Id attribute not contain the same value. So task dot where, and third table data is style dot data. Task dot y and task dot date means what, where, why, and date. And fifth is td class name equals to style dot data. This is so this bracket and this bracket is a JavaScript expression. So uh, button is on click. Here use the on click event. So inside the JavaScript expression, so use fat arrow function. So delete it index, and class name equals to style dot btn, and button name is delete. So close the button tag and close the td tag. Here in react uh, .jsx files must be compulsory uh, closing the tag. So here close the tr tag. So now close the div. So here you use the Java React fragment but now use the div tag. So module CSS table equals to, so breadth is 100% and display flex wrap and justify content is center. Align items is center means uh, text should be right in center, and table last child means last in parent inside the parent the last child. Margin bottom 1.5 bh means vertical height. Dot data is font size is x large and padding is 3%, and dot button. So dot represent the class, and btn is a name class value, class name value. So background color is this, and font size is large. So height is 6 vertical horizontal, and breadth is 6.5 but breadth. So BW, and border radius is 10 pixel and color is a light blue. BTN hover background color is this, and font size is X large. Margin is minus 0.5%, minus 0.6%, minus 0.7%, and minus 0.6%. Padding is 1% is left right, and 2% is top to bottom. Border radius is 10 pixel. Color is a light blue, and transition 400 milliseconds. And raw display flex, and margin is 0.5%, and border is 1 pixel solid black, and border radius is 20 pixel. Breadth is 52 uh, BW, and text align is center, and justify content is space around means uh, contain the space over all around this box. So margin left is 325 pixels, and background image linear gradient is this. So now here use the uh, habit input import react use state from react use state hook. So import module css file and export default function. Habit input is add habit, and const habit comma set habit use state is here contain the object form data, and what is what is a key, and value is empty. So where why and data as soon. So now comes here use a fragment. So div class name equals to styles main box, and form on submit. On submit is a event equals to handle submit. So here use the JavaScript expression. So input type equals to text, and value equals to habit dot import, id equals to what, and placeholder what to do, and required. So this and this is the attributes. So on change is equals to handle change. On change is also a event. Input type equals to text, value equals to habit dot where, id equals to where, and placeholder equals to where to do, and required. On change equals to handle change. With the help of required attribute, user cannot submit the data uh, before uh, before not fill any section. Import type equals to text, value equals to habit dot y, id equals to y, and placeholder equals to I to do. Required on change equals to handle change, and input type equals to date, Means this section contains the date, value equals to habit dot date, and id equals to date. Habit equals habit dot date is contain is habit, and dot date value is here. So habit date, id equals to date, and required on change equals to handle change. So now use the button. Button की last name equals to style dot save button. So button name is save, and close the form tag, and close this div, and close this react fragment. So now I want CSS file. So main box border equals to 2 pixel solid black, and border radius equals to 5 pixel. Height equals to auto. Breadth is 100 vertical height, vertical horizontal. So margin equals to auto. Padding is 20 pixel. Uh, so here use the breadth. So work margin work is here. Otherwise not margin auto work here. Background image linear gradient this, and input breadth equals, is 40%, and margin is 1.2 bw, and height is 5 bh. Border radius is 10 pixel. Font size is larger. Font weight is 700, means bold the text, and padding is 10 pixel. Input hover, background color is this. Save button is background color is blue, and font size large. Padding is to right, left to right is 1%, and top to bottom is 2%. Border radius is 10 pixel, and color is ice blue. Margin left is 24 bw, and save button hover is background color is this, and uh, font size is x large. Padding is 1%, left to right, and 2% is top to bottom. Border radius is 10 pixel, and color is ice blue, and transition is 2 seconds. Means over uh, over the button will take the 2 seconds. So now comes on app.js file. App.js file. Import React from React. Import dot slash app.css, means this file. Import use state from React, and import habit input from dot slash component folder inside habit input file, and again habit data from dot component habit data, means component habit data inside habit data file, inside in component folder. So export default function app const list comma set list. Basically use state function, use state hook used here. um, he contains the previous value, and with the help of set list update the value. So use state empty array, and function add habit equals to new habit. Let array equals to destructure the list, means spread operator used here. So new habit, and set list equals to arr, is this variable name. So function delete habit is index, means function habit delete habit function take the index because it is a unique. So let temp equals to destructure the list, and temp dot splice index comma 1. Splice method is used to here because delete the one value on that index. So set list temp, and return heading 1 class name title habit maker. So task, and habit input add habit is add habit, means here this function. So now habit data equals to list and delete it equals to delete habit. So now here use this show and delete it. So uh, come there, come the value is here. So now output of this code is this. So here use here is so here is so delete this. That's all. Thank you.